Hello friend, you can see it in mobile time 4:30, 4:24. Um, Today, actually, I just wanted to say you that I try to sleep early, but I could not sleep today. And now morning 4:44. So I am so afraid about what I do now. Actually, I tried to sleep 10 o'clock, but I could not sleep. And after that, I some dream about my childhood and childhood life, and after that college life, and then later I do masturbate and 2-3 times, so that was I could not sleep. I thought after masturbate I will be sleep very deeply, but unfortunately I free full up, and so my thought is come again on and loudly. And as you can imagine it, after 12 o'clock I decide to sleep, but I haven't do. I just dream about some what I do something wrong last year, and day before last year before year last. So I try to tell myself I haven't do that mistake, and hey, listen, I haven't do this mistake. Unfortunately, you make this misunderstanding. I just telling to myself, but it's not use to anyone. So decide to make video and to show to other what I thought about this. But the problem is that tomorrow morning my entrance exam is there, so I'm so afraid about to getting up in morning 6 o'clock. My exam center is too far away, and I should have to reach there before 8:30. If I not reach there, they not allowed to me sit on entrance exam. So I need to wait for 1 year again. And I think I don't have any option to stay awake. And and one problem is another. And I also tomorrow, uh, uh, if I sleep right now, I'll be never be get up on morning 10, or um, or uh, before 30, or after be 30. So I decide to wake up and make something time pass. But this is not time pass. I'm seriously talking with you. And another thing is that mm, uh, I forget something. I need to talk with you this thing. Uh, let's say one more thing is that recently no. Yeah, tomorrow's planning. I will telling from planning. Tomorrow morning, before 8:30, I should have to reach there. 9:02, 12 noon, my entrance exam. The after afternoon, I need to go in Morcha about related to reservation in Maharashtra and India, about OBC and SC related. This is Morcha is against in Maharashtra government, and participant in Morcha is there, some Adivasis people. And after that I have to go by attend my friend's birthday party, and they not declare it where they celebrate uh, birthday party, but maybe near or somewhere. But and then after one problem is that if I could not control my sleep in day, if I feel sleep, I will sleep anywhere in when I walking I'll still sleep, or I feel if I sit in class many time I sleep in being behind. So tomorrow what I have to do? If I sleep, I need to get clearly sleep every day, but this day and before some day I when I staying in railway life area in station, and in second class situation there also same problem I face. I could not get full sleep, so in many time I feel cold, and so I uh, could not get uh, could not stay fresh whole day. And next my future is similar to past. I will next year also staying in homeless situation in big city. There maybe I'll stay in slum area, or maybe in again in railway station, or in railway in second class in passenger train, or maybe in express. Yeah, and there also I will be not get my sleep again. Please sleep come, otherwise if you lose. Oh, and Indian people are losing sleep this day when they staying in city life, they not get full sleep. Recently one survey is released, and there they show that city life women's not get uh, clearly uh, sleep. They most of the time they sleep only 4 o'clock. No, not 4, 6 o'clock. But adult people should have to 6 to 8 hour sleep every day. Otherwise, you not stay fresh whole day. And taking one small sleep in workplace, it's also good. Even in class, I noticed many times when I sleep in class and I get after 10-15 minutes, then I feel very energetic and I get everything. So yeah, this is enough for today. I will talk with you later, and I hope tomorrow's day will be great for me. Otherwise, this sleep is going to wrong with me. Okay, and yeah, have to say you good night, sweet dream. Bye bye.